Introducing the 2022 Skoda KODIAQ 2.0TDI 150B horsepower 7-seater style automatic. This sleek SUV in white has only 48337 kilometers on it and comes packed with incredible features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with ABS parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. The chrome package and privacy glass add to its stylish exterior, while the self-driving and over-air updates make it cutting edge. Rest assured, this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check and is covered by a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind with the Skoda KODIAQ.